Hello everybody, welcome to channel Gadget. Stop scrolling. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold is here, and it might just be the most exciting phone of 2025. It's not just a phone, it's a mini workstation, a being watching tablet and an iPad or in your pocket. So should you update? Let's break it down. Don't skip this video till if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up, that foldable design. When closed, it feels like a regular premium phone, but fully bit open and boom, you have got an 80K OLED display. That's perfect for multitasking or Netflix marathons. Smooth 120 is refrigerated, ultra thin bezels and Gorilla Glass Picture 3 for durability. Quick comparisons. It's thinner and lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, making it easier to slip in your pocket. Next up, camera gaming storage. Pixel 10 Pro folds rocks a 50MP main shooter, 48MP ultra wide, and a 10.8MP telephoto with 5x zoom. Plus Google's AI powered best. Take an magic edition make your shoots low pro level, even if you are just snapping in your dorm room. Compared to Samsung Fold 7, Pixel's image processing still wins for natural colors and low light match. Inside, we have got the Google Tensor G4 chip. Tender for AI. Translation on the fly, smart call, screening, AI writing. Assist this thing feels like having a assistant in your pocket. And thanks to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, heavy apps and multitasking are on the suite. Would it overpower? The 4800 mAh battery plus 45-watt fast charging makes a full day of use, yes. Even if you are streaming, gaming and folding non-stop. Bonus it's IPX8 water resistant, so coffee is pilly, no panic. Now the price tag, $1,799. Yeah, it's a premium phone for sure. But if you are a student or in progeny, school side hustles and social life and replace phone and tablet. Compare Galaxy Z Fold 7, Pixel slightly cheaper and gives you Google's AI ads. So what do you think? Would you rock the Pixel 10 Pro Fold or stick with the classic slide phone? Drop your picks in the comments. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and if you are more gadget videos updates, subscribe and in the bell icon for more gadget videos.